In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone with full control to your Facebook page. This is perfect when you're bringing on a trusted team member to help manage everything on your page. Start by going to your Facebook page. Make sure you're viewing the page itself, not your personal profile. Once you're on the page, look for the Settings option. It's usually in the left-hand menu. Click that to open your page's settings dashboard, where all the management tools live. Inside Settings, find Page Access under the Page Setup section. This is the hub for managing who can do what on your page. You'll see a section labeled People with Page Access. Click Add New to start inviting someone. When the prompt opens, click Next. Now you'll search for the person you want to add. Type their name exactly as it appears on Facebook so you can find the right profile. If multiple results show up, choose the correct profile by clicking on it. Make sure it's the person you intend to grant access to. You'll now see a toggle labeled Allow this person to have full control. Turn this on if you want them to have complete management permissions. Full control is the new version of what used to be called admin. With this enabled, they'll be able to manage settings, permissions, content, messages, and more. Only grant this to someone you fully trust. Once you're comfortable with the selection, click Give Access. For security, Facebook will prompt you to confirm your identity. Enter your Facebook password to confirm the change. This step protects your page by ensuring only authorized page owners can grant high-level access. After you confirm, an invitation is sent to the person you selected. They won't have full control immediately. They must accept the invitation before they can manage the page. If they don't see it right away, ask them to check their notifications and the email associated with their Facebook account. Invitations can sometimes take a moment to appear. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Double-check that you picked the right profile before sending the invite, and review access levels periodically to keep your page secure. If you only want someone to help with specific tasks, you can always skip the full control toggle and assign a more limited role instead. That's it. Go to your page, open Settings, use Page Access, add the person, allow full control if needed, give access, and confirm with your password. Once they accept, they're in and ready to help manage your page.